Hello there. If you have a car that's covered with ice or covered with snow, the doors may freeze shut, thus locking you out. Don't worry though. In this video, I'll show you how to stop the doors freezing shut, and all we need is the contents of this jiffy bag. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, to stop a car door freezing shut, we need to consider the weather strips, the hinges, the check strap, and the latch. Generally speaking, when a door freezes shut, it's because of the weather strips, so we'll start there. But that means getting out of this nice warm car and going outside where it's cold and horrible. So let's have a look at one of the weather strips on my car. It is in fact this black rubber thing. Can you see that? And this strip runs all the way along the roof, down the A-pillar, along the sill, and just for luck it comes all the way back up here, up the B-pillar. This car has some additional weather strips on the door itself. There's one at the top that runs all the way like so, and there's another one which starts here on the side, goes all the way down the side, and look at this, it goes all the way along the bottom of the door as well. The problem is that moisture settles on those weather seals. That moisture then freezes when it's cold outside, thus gluing the door shut. Fortunately, there's a cheap, easy solution, and step one is to get yourself some kitchen towel, or if you're feeling fancy, a cloth. We now need to clean the weather strips, all of them, to remove any dust, pollen, debris, moisture, anything that's floating around. The next stage is to cover all the weather strips with a silicone-based spray. There are lots of silicone sprays to choose from for a modest price, but for this car we are using WD-40s for one very important reason. It's the only one we've got. According to the can, this product is suitable for metal, plastic, rubber and wood, so it's fine on this car. What else does it say? We've got to shake the can well and then apply the product directly to the surface. Right, so here we go, and notice we've got a kitchen towel here to catch any overspray. And we'll just give that a quick rub in like so. And then carry on all the way around the weather strip. This silicone spray isn't expensive, by the way. I only paid £8 for a 400ml can, and that included delivery. All right, now that's enough silicone spray. Now let's move on to the next stage. To stop the door freezing shut, the next stage is to lubricate the hinges, the check strap, and the latch, so they operate smoothly and without excessive resistance. The lubricant I like for such tasks is white lithium grease, which is readily available. Can you guess what happened last week? It was the coldest day since I've owned this car, and I got frozen out. Hence this stuff. And by the way, if you do your car, don't forget to do the boot, because that could freeze shut too. That's it for now, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time when hopefully it'll be much warmer. Oh, I've got a website too, carspytv.com, if you'd like a look around there. Bye bye.